And this giveaway is sponsored by Aura. And today we're gonna announce the winner of the giveaway for the 32,000 subscribers. We're gonna draw it randomly on the comments and see who wins. So here we go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. We're gonna paste the URL from our video to this YouTube random comment picker. And here it is. We're just gonna hit start and see who wins. But before we get there, let's look at our sponsor for today. Can you really trust anything online? When you punch in your codes, your passwords, you make yourself vulnerable to fraud and online threats. Your full name, your date of birth, your banking information, is that all safe when you go to a secured, trusted website? If you are not sure, Aura is here to help. Aura is a proactive protection for everything and everyone that matters. Alerting you to threats is only half the battle, but Aura takes action to prevent and resolve issues in real time so you can do what you love online safely. Aura gets near real-time alerts on suspicious credit inquiries, like if someone was opening a loan or credit card in your name. It also has identity theft protection. It also has online and device security. Shop, bank, and work online more safely and privately with military-grade VPN and antivirus to protect your devices. And it's also great for the family because it keeps your family's online activities safe from hackers and malicious sites. Aura is also an official sponsor of the Minnesota Timberwolves. Make sure to try out Aura today for 14-day trial. Check it out and see if it works for you. It's really easy to sign up and there are no obligations. So start your trial today. And our winner is Program C Official. Congratulations to Program C Official. I will contact you personally so that you'll be able to receive your prize. Congratulations again to Program C, and thank you for everyone who joined the giveaway. Thank you everyone who has supported the channel from the get-go and being part of the Tech TRX family. Stay tuned for more videos to come and more giveaways to come as well. Maybe the next one will be 35,000 or maybe 40,000. Hope to see you in the next one, and peace out.